Forms are essential if you want to collect leads or email addresses, ask questions, take surveys. That's why you can create forms inside GrooveMail. It's free, easy to use, and you have the option of creating custom form fields. From your dashboard, select Apps and navigate to GrooveMail. Select Forms from the menu, click on New Form, and follow the step-by-step wizard. First, you'll build the form by adding fields you want. Simply click and you can change any text that's visible. Then you'll set up attached automations like adding leads to lists. If you don't already have a list or a tag set up that you would like to attach to said form, you can create it right here. The final steps are just creating email confirmations and connecting the appropriate URLs.